And for this project, we have a sprinkler repair. What had happened is they used the wrong size coupler combined with small hose clamps. Small hose clamps just aren't able to get a perfectly round crimp. So those two things together is just going to cause this to leak. What I did is get the right size coupler. You can see the blue is a slightly larger diameter than the black one. And then when I put it back on, instead of using hose clamps, I use a crimped ring clamp, and that allows you to get closer to a round pressure all the way around that hose. When you are putting those crimp lines back together, be sure to stagger the crimps. That's another way that you can get leaks is if you line them up. So just get them staggered, rotate those around the hose, and you'll be fine. Once these crimps are all back together, it's not going to leak.